Who is responsible for crypto wallets in the cryptocurrency market? Crypto wallets are essential tools in the cryptocurrency market, allowing users to store, manage and transact their digital currencies securely. There are different types of wallets, each with its own characteristics, advantages and disadvantages. Here are the main aspects and types of crypto wallets. Software portfolios. Desktop. Installed on the user's computer. Examples: Exodus, Electrum. Mobile. Applications for smartphones. Examples: Trust Wallet, Mycelium. Web. Accessed via browser. Examples: MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet. Hardware specific. Software that interacts with hardware wallets. Examples: Ledger Live, Trezor Suite. Hardware wallets. Physical devices that store private keys offline, offering a high level of security against hackers and malware. Examples: Ledger Nano S, Trezor Model T. Paper wallets. Physical prints of public and private keys. Extremely secure against online attacks, but vulnerable to physical damage and loss. Multisig wallets. Require multiple signatures to authorize a transaction, increasing security by distributing responsibility among multiple parties. Examples: Armory, House. Main features. User interface. Wallets often offer interfaces to monitor balances, transaction history, and other relevant data. Security. Varies depending on the type of wallet. Hardware and multisig wallets offer higher levels of security. Backup and recovery. Most wallets allow you to create backups, usually in the form of seeds or recovery phrases, to recover funds in case of device loss or damage. Advantages and disadvantages. Software wallets. Advantages: ease of use, convenience. Disadvantages: vulnerable to malware and hacking. Hardware wallets. Advantages: high security, protection against online threats. Disadvantages: cost money, less convenient for daily transactions. Paper wallets. Advantages: offline security, immunity to online attacks. Disadvantages: risk of physical damage, loss and difficulty in use for regular transactions. Multisig wallets. Advantages: greater security and distributed control. Disadvantages: more complex to configure and use. Importance of security. The security of crypto wallets is crucial due to the irreversible nature of cryptocurrency transactions. Some best practices include use of 2FA, two-factor authentication, storage of private keys in secure locations, creating regular backups and storing them in secure locations, using hardware wallets to store large amounts of cryptocurrencies. Thank you, guys.